السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Mesa. For the new people here, I'm Mesa, your teacher of English, and welcome to my channel. So in today's lesson we are going to learn more conversations, but this time in a hotel. Okay, so سنتعلم محادثات ضرورية نستعملها في الفنادق عندما نسافر. Okay, but before لكن قبل أن نبدأ بالدرس لا تنسوا دعمي وتشجيعي بلايك سبسكرايب وتعليق مشجع. Thank you so much. Let's start the lesson. So we are going to start with types of rooms. Types of rooms. Rooms الغرف. Room الغرفة. Types أنواع. So we have double room, which means room with a double bed, a bed for two people. We have twin room, room with two beds, room with two beds. We have also single room, a room with one bed for one person, single room. We have a suite, more than one room. For example, bedroom and living room, suite. We have a coat, a bed for a baby. Coat, a bed for a baby. For a baby, bed. Fully booked. It means no rooms available. Fully booked. No rooms available. الآن سنتحدث عن other facilities. المرافق الأخرى في الفندق. Ensuite bathroom, which means a bathroom attached to the bedroom. A safe, a box with a key where you put valuable things, passport, jewelry, money, etc. A safe. A mini bar, a small fridge with the drinks inside such as Coke, water, juice, etc. Tea and coffee making facilities. A kettle, cups, coffee, milk, sugar, and tea sachet. We have 24-hour room service. 24-hour room service, which means meals delivered to your room. Laundry or dry cleaning service. Your clothes can be washed for you. Wi-Fi, Internet connection. يعني كل هذه المرافق التي تحدثنا عنها نجدها في الفنادق. Full English breakfast. Big breakfast with toast, eggs, bacon, cereal, etc. A full English breakfast. عندنا continental breakfast. Small breakfast with croissant, coffee and juice. Continental breakfast. عندنا عبارة a wake up call. A wake up call when the telephone rings to wake you up. الآن نتطرق إلى محادثات حول إجراء الحجز. كيف نحجز في الفندق. Making the booking. يعني كيف تحجز في الفندق باللغة الإنجليزية. I'd like to book a single or double or twin room for 2 nights, please. I'd like to book. I'd like to make a reservation for a single or double or twin room for the night of, and you put a date, please. A reservation. It means a booking. You can say reservation or you can say a booking. Do you have any double rooms left for the weekend? Do you have any double rooms left for the weekend? أو يمكنك قول Do you have any double rooms available this weekend? Do you have any double rooms available this weekend? Left, it means available. Left معناها available. Available. How much is a single room? How much is a double room? How much is a suit? Okay? يعني هنا تبحث عن السعر. What time is check-in? Check-in means when you arrive and give your passport information. Check-in. What time is check-out? When you leave and pay. What time is check-out? Check-out. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? Breakfast. فطور الصباح. Are all your rooms en suite with bathrooms? Are all your rooms en suite with bathrooms? Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Is there a lift? الليفت وهو المصعد يمكننا قول elevator. يمكننا قول lift أو elevator. I'd like to book a room for the weekend. I'd like to book a room for the weekend. I'd like to book a room for the weekend. وإلى هنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الدرس. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم وتعلمتم كلمات جديدة وعبارات جديدة ولو قليلا. لكن قبل أن ننهي الدرس لا تنسوا تشجيعي باشتراك في القناة، كتابة تعليق مشجع ومشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم.